In this video, we'll be exploring what you can export to the US. So what does US import? You know, a number of people always looking for opportunities around the world and trying to explore those opportunities as much as they can. So in the series of video I'll be doing from this channel, I'll be looking at the top importers in the world. You know, you're an exporter, right? And you're going to be shipping product to a particular country. So the question we are asking is, what does these countries import? And I will be looking at the top importers in the world. The largest importers in the world is United States. And the import of United States in 2022 is $3.12 trillion. $3.12 trillion. So we'll be digging deep in this conversation and looking at what are those things that the United States import? What are those things that the United States import? Now, the next category of item imported in the US are cars. Cars and motor vehicles generally are major product of the United States import. And this accounts for about $351 billion. $351 billion. What are the cars? What are the components? We have cars itself, which account for 45% of the $351 billion. Then delivery trucks, motor vehicle and parts and accessories, aircraft parts. US import of aircraft parts is very small, meaning because a lot of them are being produced in the US. Plane and helicopter and spacecraft, tractors, passenger and cargo ship, recreational boat, motorcycles, and cycles account for about 351 billion of the item of import of US.